Beep, beep, beep. Need battery. I don't not have one. Well, guys, it's easy to make one. A fruit battery, I say, a fruit battery. I got a fruit battery making from Kidzlabs Kitchen Science. Well, let's get started. First, I'm gonna tell you, you're gonna need adult supervision for this, because you gotta cut the orange in half before you start. A lemon, there, lemon in half. So I'm gonna give this to an adult and it's gonna come back cut. See, adult supervision. Ivy, can you pass this to me? Now that we got the lemon cut in half, now, all the things you need is a lemon cut in half, 2 forks actually, and the box already comes with a watch thing with the 2 wires sticking out. And then 2 zinc plates, which it comes with 2. And it also comes with a connection wire. So, let's get started. First, connect the red wire on the LCD watch to the fork. So I'm gonna stuff this in already. Yep, that's how it's stuffed in. And then I'm going to, well, connect the red wire to the fork. Let me just lay it down there. Next, gonna have to put a little zinc plate in the lemon there and connect it to the black wire. Yep, I'm right. Oh, I just noticed something. What? Really, is that how it works? Yep. The zinc plate and the fork are in different lemons. I just noticed that right now. But remember to curl it up so it doesn't fall. The zinc and the fork have to be on the different lemons. Okay, let's see what we got right here. Yep. Okay, now, gonna lay everything down right now. Okay. Now, okay? Next, I'm gonna put a zinc wire right here next to that fork, and then a fork next to this zinc wire. It's gonna get a bit messy because of all, lemon juice. So make sure you protect the watch. You don't want to get in wet to ruin the experiment. So always keep the plastic on. Okay, now. Next thing we're gonna need is the connection wire. First, I'm gonna need some tape. Assistant! Now that I have the tape and the connection wire, which you already had, I'm gonna rip 2 little pieces of tape. Okay, I have no idea why I had to connect the zinc plate with the wire, with the tape, but that's how it works. So I'm gonna have to put tape on it anyway, so here, right there, yep. And then for the fork, I'm gonna put tape on it to connect the wire. Okay, there. Why is it always falling out the lemon? And wait. And then last but not least, into the fork, into the lemon dab, to the LCD. Movement as shown on the diagram, you will see your watches start blinking, and boom, now my watch is working. It's basically blinking, and it used to be, no battery at all, no nothing. But now, look, it's blinking with time on it. All because I made a beep, beep, beep fruit battery. Easy peasy. And now I could charge up my robot. Energetic. Well, that's science, people. Who doesn't love science, especially when you have such a cool robot? Boom! Like and subscribe, and I love you guys. Mwah! 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 I love myself too. To infinity and beyond! Bye, guys.